National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Oglala Lakota County in southwestern South Dakota until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:31 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles southeast of Oglala, or 11 miles northwest of Pine Ridge, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts and 3-inch hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Pine Ridge. The storm is producing destructive winds and large damaging hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Oglala Lakota, South Dakota.